Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Samsung Fridge 22E error code. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. In this case, you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here on your Samsung fridge? Well, fixing the 22E error code here is fairly easy, but you need to basically know a few things why this error is actually happening. Now, the great thing about Samsung here is they give you a good customer care. Now, in this case, there is actually an article here discussing what exactly is the 22E error is. Now, by the way, this is from the official website for Samsung, which in this case is going to be their support page. Now, first, the 22E error code indicates that the fridge fan error, which may happen if the fridge has been running with the door open for too long. So, this prevents the fan from operating correctly. Now, what are things that you could do here to fix this problem? Now, you want to go ahead and disconnect the fridge from the power supply. Now, you want to go ahead and unplug this, or even turn off the actual breaker for your electricity or the power supply for your fridge, and let the fridge sit with the door open for a few hours. Now, take note, a few hours here, not a few minutes, a few hours. This actually helps to reset the system and allows any ice buildup around the fan to melt. So basically, we're targeting to basically melt away all the ice buildup, and as well as drain the electricity or the power on the fridge itself. Now, after a few hours, you want to go ahead and plug the fridge back in. Now, you want to close the doors and monitor the fridge to ensure it's functioning properly here. So basically, we're doing a soft reset. Now, if the error persists or if the error code reappears, you may need a professional, in this case, or professional assistance in fixing this problem. Now, you can get this from the official webpage for Samsung. Now, you just need to go to Samsung.com here, and usually at the top right here, you should see the support page. You want to hover over it, and you want to go ahead and click on the order help. Now, what we need to do here is we want to go ahead and basically start getting some assistance. So in this case, you could go ahead and start ordering your order here. Or in this case, you could also go to repair services as well. So if you have Samsung Care, you could use Samsung Care. But if you want to request a repair, you could go and click on this one. You have 3 options. So you can find a service center near your area. You could go and check the repair status if you already ordered one. Or in this case, if you want to request a repair, you could go and click on that star here. But from here on, you just need to log in into your Samsung account and basically follow the instructions and all the necessary information here. Go ahead and fill that up. But from here on, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.